Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guy eye care setting guys, and today we do that is guys how can we on guys Infinix phone eye care. And so you want to on and guys you want to use guys your Infinix phone eye care setting. But how can you on and how can you use it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So when first of all open your phone setting to on guys your Infinix phone eye care. After on phone setting guys click on guys your phone brightness setting, and first click on phone IKEA setting. We will tap here. As you can see guys, phone IKEA setting we will on from here. After on guys your skin color will change. Once you can see guys skin color brightness guys, you can adjust from here. IKEA guys, you can see it's your screen amber. This make it easier to look at or your screen, and guys we can use it. So like the guy we can use guys eye care settings. So guys, when you use your phone at night guys, so you should on guys your eye care. After on guys you can use your phone easily guys, you can look at on your screen easily. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.